I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is attached.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ASYRAF bin Zulkifli. My ID matrix is 01DM1AF1013. Today, my friend and I want explain about the TQM. Okay, what is the TQM? The TQM is a total quality management. TQM views an organization as a collection of processes. It maintains that organization must strive to continuously improve these processes by incorporating the knowledge and experience of workers. The simple objective of TQM is do the right things right the first time and every time. TQM is infinitely variable and adaptable. Although originally applied to manufacturing operation and for a number of years only used in the area. TQM is now becoming recognized as a generic management tool, just as applicable in service and public sector organization. There are a number of evolutionary strands, with different sectors creating their own version from the common etc. Okay, the next slide is understanding total quality management. Okay, total quality management is a structured approach to overall organizational management. The focus of the process to the focus of the process is to improve the quality of an organization outputs, including goods and service, through continual improvement of internal practice. The standard set as part of the TQM approach can reflect both internal priorities and the industry's standard currently in place. Industry standards can be defined at multiple levels and may include adherence to various law and regulation governing the operation of the particular business. Industry standards can also include the production of item to an understood norm, even if the norm is not backed up by official regulation. Okay, the next is TQM is the foundation for activities which include commitment by senior management and all employees, meeting customer requirement, reducing development cycle times, just in time or demand flow manufacturing, improvement teams, reducing product and service cost, system to facilitate improvement, line management ownership, employee involvement and empowerment, recognition and celebration, challenging quantified goals and benchmarking, focus on processes or improvement plans, and the lastly is specific incorporation in strategic planning. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad HUSNI bin Muhammad Fadli Yusof. Nombor pendaftaran 01DEM18F1014. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan tajuk Total Quality Management Philosophy. Total Quality Management iaitu TQM is a comprehensive system for achieving continuous improvement in customer satisfaction. It is philosophy of total integration of the business to achieve the required result. The goal is to achieve greater efficiency and effective, lower operating costs and increase market share. Total quality management practice focus on satisfying customer needs. This means making the needs of the customer the priority expanding the relationship beyond traditional service and incorporating the customer needs in the company business plan and corporate strategy. Total quality management philosophy called because it involves every single piece of work done in the organization. It involves everybody in organization. It required total commitment. The aim of total quality management is to achieve zero defect in everything done in the organization. To do error-free work. To achieve this means everything we do must be right, first time, every time. The common theme in total quality management is get it right first time, every time. Total quality management means changing the way people to do things so as minimize the potential for defect. Total quality management approach use statistical method to find problem that cause error for defect. The aim is to achieve 100% in everything done in the organization.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. I Muhammad Irfan Hakimi want to continue our presentation with who create TQM Philosophy. TQM Philosophy created by Walter A. Silverhurst. TQM in the form of statistical quality control was invented by Walter Silverhurst. It was initially implemented at Western Electric Company in the form developed by Joseph Juran, who had worked there with the method. TQM was demonstrated on a grand scale Japanese industry through the intervention of W. Edward Deming, who in consequence and thanks to his ministerial labor in US and across the world, has come to be viewed as a father of quality control, quality circle, and the quality movement generally. Next, I want to tell you all about the 8 universal principles of quality management. Firstly, principle 1, customer focus. The first and arguably most important principle argues that business would exist without this customer. Therefore, organizations should strive to understand their current and future customer. Next, leadership. This principle exalts the virtue of strong purpose and leadership. Leaders are responsible to create a productive and progressive business environment. Number 3, the principle of people involvement. Just as your business will be now here without a customer base, it also will get very far without a balanced multi-skilled team. Either employees at every level of the organization are secure to its success, and this principle is all about recognizing that. The next principle is process approach. A process-driven approach can help companies to avoid logistic problems that often stem from confusion over the right way to go about things. It also future-proof your business as having set process and ensure that there's no moment of flat panic when key team members move on, leaving everyone in the dark about key elements of their job. Principle number 5 is schematic approach to management. The principle is linked to the previous one. The agree that identifying, understanding, and managing process using a clean system will help to streamline your business by ensuring that team members are dedicating and right amount attention to key tasks. You will eliminate waste the time, and make your business more efficient. Principle number 6 is continual improvement. As the old age goes, you are not going forward, you are going backward. A business should always pushing for improvement, because if you are not, you can bet that your competitor will be. Principle number 7 is factual approach to dedication making. This principle state the efficient decisions are made based on rational analysis of data, which a gut feeling can be useful in some situation. It won't really stand up when you are explaining to your board investigation why your profit are down by 10% this year. And lastly, principle number 8 is mutually benefit supplier relation. Okay, so you have got a fantastic management system, excellent customer relationship, and comprehensive business plan. There are one missing. What are delivering to customer? Whether your business provide good or service to customer, it likely you will rely on some sort of supplier. This principle indicate that relation between your company and any supplier must be mutually beneficial in order to add value of both parties. It allows both of you to react more quickly and flexible to customer demand if things are smooth and harmonious between you, as well as making it easier to nego on cost. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. I'm Tiang Junhao from DEM 5A, and I'm here to present to you the benefits of implementing total quality management into our industry. So total quality management is a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. So here are some of the elements of total quality management, which includes a strategic and systematic approach, the customer focus, integrated system, communication, and so on. So here are some of the benefits of implementing total quality management. The first one is improvement in productivity. So as our employees will have lesser time in correcting the errors of our product, this means that when we implement this total quality management, our employee will have more output power, and it will result in increasing our company profit. The next one is defect reduction. So as total quality management emphasizes on improving quality within a process rather than inspecting quality into a process, so it will not only reduces the time for us to fix the errors, but also make it less necessary for us to hire the quality assurance personnel for our quality control department. So next one is cost reduction. So as we implement this total quality management consistently over some time, it will help us in reducing our organization costs in areas such as rework, field service, warranty cost reduction, and so on. So this cost reduction directly affects our bottom line profits, and it will result in increasing our company's profitability. So the next one is customer satisfaction. So as we implement total quality management into our industry, we have our company will have better products and services. So this means that the customer will have lesser complaints and feel more comfortable in cooperate with us. And this will result in increasing our market share value and also bring us more customer. And the last one is morale. This means that when we implement total quality management into our working environment, our employee will feel more comfortable and they will feel confident in working. So this means that um, there are less, there are a slightly less chance in they will running away from us, and this will reduce the cost of we hire and train the new employees. So that's it for my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad IKHWAN and I want to present about benefit of implementing total quality management. The first benefit is cost reduction. When applied consistently over time, total quality management can reduce costs throughout an organization, especially in the areas of scrap, rework, field service and warranty cost reduction. Uh, since this cost reduction flows straight through to bottom line profit without any additional cost being incurred, there can be a startling increase in profitability. After that, productivity improvement. Productivity productivity increase significantly since employees are spending much less of their time chasing down and correcting error. Increased productivity means more output per employee, which typically result in increased profit. After that, customer satisfaction. Since the company has better product and service and its interaction with customer are relative error-free, there should be fewer customer complaints, and fewer customer complaint may also mean that the resources devoted to customer service can be reduced. A higher level of customer satisfaction may also lead to increased market share, as exist- as existing customer act on the company behalf to bring in more customer. After that, defect reduction. Total quality management has a strong emphasis on improving quality within a process rather than inspecting quality into a process. This not only reduces the time need to fix error but makes it less necessary to employ a team of quality assurance personnel. After that is moral. That ongoing and proven success of total quality management, and in particular that the participation of employees in that success can lead to a notable not, notable improvement in employee morale, which in turn reduce employee turnover and therefore reduce the cost of hiring and training new employees. Okay, the other benefit of implementing total quality management is to promote innovation process. Total quality management enable the organization to conduct research on any undergoing challenge or problem so as to come up with solution for the same. Thus, organization escalate their research and bring in innovative marketing decision. They implemented innovative approach to the core and peripheral service attract the customer. Okay, after that is market specific product or service. Since the main focus of total quality management is on customer satisfaction, it provide a pathway to understand the needs and demand of the customer market. Therefore, it enables the organization to deliver product or service specific to the market. Okay, then is holistic approach to management. Many organizations struggle with non-engaging and participative attitude of the employees. Total quality management enable to bring change in the behavioral pattern of the employees by facilitating good work culture, teamwork, promoting self-development, employees engagement, and thus attracting better performance. Okay, after that is facilities customer satisfaction. Since total quality management is all about delivering superior quality of product or service to the customer in the long run, the amount of customer complaint is quite less. Therefore, it signifies less use of resource and increased customer satisfaction. Thus, the market share also increase as the existing customer act as the ambassador to attract new customer. Okay, after that is promote continual improvement. The basic fundamental of total quality management is of continually improving for long-term success. Therefore, total quality management practice designed to bring a continual improvement to the quality standard of a product or service. This result is a continuous revival of process. Okay, after that is facilities competitive edge. The increasing competitive challenge the organization to meet the ever increasing demand of the customer market. Total quality management practice prove useful in understanding the market trend and competition so as to develop effective strategies to overcome the same. Okay, finally is promote goodwill. As total quality management focus on consistent delivery of good quality product or service, the customer hold favorable reputation about the organization. The internal stakeholder, employees and investor get the lucrative incentive and good return respectively. While external stakeholder get superior quality of good. This result is a good brand image and goodwill in long run.
Selamat pagi diucapkan kepada puan dan rakan-rakan sekalian. Hari ini saya Chan Wei Peng akan menerangkan tentang apply total quality management konsep dalam industri. Konsep yang terdapat dalam total quality management adalah kepimpinan, kepuasan pelanggan, tanggungjawab dan kerjasama pekerja, penambahbaikan proses berterusan, kerjasama antara pembekal dan ukuran prestasi. Kepimpinan. Ketua pengurusan mestilah sedar akan kepentingan kualiti. Kualiti adalah tanggungjawab semua tetapi yang terpenting adalah CEO. Kepimpinan juga mestilah sentiasa memperbaiki dan memberi komitmen yang terbaik. Kepimpinan juga haruslah menunjukkan kualiti yang terbaik agar menjadi bahagian dalam strategi bisnes. Kepimpinan juga haruslah mengetuai dalam setiap pelaksanaan tugas. Seterusnya adalah kriteria bagi ketua ataupun kepimpinan yang berjaya. Memberikan perhatian kepada pelanggan dan pekerja, menggalakkan kerjasama antara pekerja daripada menggalakkan pertandingan, mengajar dan menunjukkan kepada pekerja, belajar daripada kesilapan dan sentiasa memperbaiki cara berkomunikasi. Bagi konsep kepuasan pelanggan, pelanggan sentiasa betul, atau di Jepun, slogan yang biasa kita dengar adalah customer is king. Ungkapan ini pada 10 tahun yang lepas adalah benar, tetapi bukan sekarang. Seterusnya adalah untuk menggembirakan pelanggan, memberikan kualiti produk dan servis yang terbaik. Seterusnya saya akan menerangkan tentang konsep kerjasama dan tanggungjawab pekerja. Pekerja adalah aset yang terpenting. Kualiti produk terhasil daripada pekerja yang baik. Pembelajaran dan latihan akan memberikan pengetahuan dan skill kepada pekerja dan memberikan program motivasi dan insentif kepada pekerja. Sekian, terima kasih.
Selamat pagi semua. Assalamualaikum and good morning YouTube. Okay, my name is Fitri bin Azman Hisham. I'm going to continue. The next point is continuous process improvement. First point is a view all the work as a process. It can be a production and a business process and purchase, design, invoicing, and another thing. Input, process, output, process improvement, increase customers satisfaction, and improvement has a 5 way. Is a reduce resource and reduce error and meet expectation of the downstream customer and make process safer and make process more safely to the person doing. Okay, the next point is problem solving method. We can define the opportunity for improvement, and we can analyze the current process, and we can develop the optimal solution for the problem and implement a change, and we need to study the result and standardize the solution and plan for the future. This next slide is going to supplier partnership. The first point is 40% product cost comes from a purchase material. Therefore, a supplier quality and management important. Substitution a portion quality problem from a supplier. Need a partnership to achieve a quality improvement for a long-term purchase contract. Supplier management activities. We need the best supplier partnership. Okay, the next point is performance measure. The first point is managing by a fat rather than a good feelings, and effective management require measuring and using a baseline to identify potential project to enhance results from improvement, and a product measurement defects per million into inventory turn on time delivery, service billing error, sell activity times, and customer satisfaction, and method for measuring. And the last is a cost of the quality is internal failure, external failure, and financial cost, and operation cost. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.